The pastel Angelic Pretty gods possessed my body and were like, we're gonna start running. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey, for those of you who do not know, and I attempt to post on Fridays. Emphasis on attempt. So today is something I am so excited for because this is something that I have been dreaming of for months and months and months on end. It's a long story, there's a lot of history here, so let's get into the context.
Yay!
Woo! The one and only thing I wanted to do on my birthday was go to Angelic Pretty Paris. My birthday was on a Friday. Angelic Pretty Paris posted Thursday night that they would be closed. So my birthday was like 2 weeks ago and I didn't get to go to Angelic Pretty. I had been planning to go there for literally like 9 months or so on my birthday. It was the one and only thing I wanted to do, so I was like so sad, and I was so sad to the point where I was like, I don't even know if I want to go to like AP Paris anymore. I had like a pretty bad birthday in general, so I just like wanted to forget about it, and I think I like put Angelic Pretty in that box. But I still love Angelic Pretty. And then on Saturday, my friends and we were trying to go to this ramen place called I think that's what it was called. Please correct me if I'm wrong on how to pronounce these things so I can get better at pronouncing names. And we were on the metro and I was like, hey guys, like what stop are we getting off at? And one of the people in the group is like, oh, we're getting off at Tuileries. I can't do French accents. I get made fun of it in class because I have a very American accent, apparently. I was really excited when I heard that we were getting off at Tuileries because it's literally 2 streets down from Angelic Pretty. And we got off the train station and I was like, where is it? Where is it? I was on high alert looking everywhere for the pastel pink. And I see we are on like the block, like the metro's right here, we're right here, there's a street going this way and Angelic Pretty's right here. And we're about to cross the street towards Angelic Pretty. And I was like looking down the street trying to see if I could see the pastel pink, and the second I saw it, I literally ran. Like, the pastel Angelic Pretty gods possessed my body and were like, we're gonna start running in front of my friends who, by the way, do not know what Lolita fashion is and are all normal. I was like in front of Angelic Pretty, like trying not to hop up and down, extremely excited, snapping pictures of the display. And someone in the group is like, just go in. And I was like, no, like I can't go in because like we're on our way to dinner and everyone's hungry. And they're just like, just go in. And I was like, are you sure? Like you won't mind waiting? And they're like, well, we'll just go in with you. Just go in. So these wonderful people went into Angelic Pretty with me, even though they don't know anything about Lolita fashion, just to support me. So that made me so happy. And so right before I go in, I'm like looking through the display window, and right there I see the last sugary carnival being packaged up because someone bought it. So part of my heart died. But anyways, I went inside. I spent way too long there looking at literally everything. Hello my beautiful people, it is Lainey from the future editing this video, editor Lainey, and I just wanted to put in a small little disclaimer type clip because in the next part I'm going to be talking about Angelic Pretty prices and how expensive it is. So I just want to put in a little disclaimer that I completely understand that Angelic Pretty is a luxury brand. And a lot of Lolitas are in the same type of like broke college student category that I am in, and people prioritize their money differently. For me personally, Angelic Pretty has a lot of stuff out of my price range as I'm on like a very strict budget living abroad. But for other people, they prioritize Lolita and they prioritize Angelic Pretty, and that's perfectly okay. We all have different definitions of what expensive is, and we all have different price ranges for what we're willing to pay. So Angelic Pretty just had a lot of stuff that was out of my price range, and I completely understand why. Like I said, it's a luxury brand. There's a limited quantity, I'm sorry, I stutter. There's a limited quantity of all of their pieces. They're also, you know, very unique, very niche, and they have that high price point, and like, that's perfectly fine. I just wanted to put in this little disclaimer because I am completely ranting about prices because honestly, I'm just frustrated that it's out of my price range, but you know what? It's fine. Like, it's a first world problem. It doesn't matter, and I completely recognize that. So yeah, I just wanted to clarify and prepare you guys for me complaining about prices. Okay, I hope this clears things up. Let's get back to the video. It was so expensive. I really wanted Nostalgia Doll. It's like the one dress that's been on my mind for very long since it came out, which actually wasn't that long ago. I wanted it so bad, but it was like very expensive out of my price zone. So then my mission was to find something under 70 euros. And I was literally just about to give up and walk out the door because like their tights were over 50 euros, even their little like hair bows were over $50. Not like a KC, like literal 2-ribbon little bows were over 50 euros. And I was about to walk out, and right next to the door, I see this hanging up, and there's only one. And I, you know, do a little flippy flip on the price tag, and I see that it's marked off. It is selling cheap, like 40% off. And I was like, it's Saxon gold. I have literally no clue what print this is. I'm gonna get it because it's Saxon gold and will probably match my bunny herbology cord. And also it was on sale. So I went up to the counter, and by the way, like, this is what I was wearing. I was like feeling very masked, and I looked like a 12-year-old boy in this like pink frilly space. And I was talking to the shopkeeper, and I was like, I'm so sorry, my French sucks, but I have been wanting to come here forever. I am so excited to be here. And I was like talking, I was like nervous rambling. Like, I was so excited. I was like, oh my god, yeah, when I walked in I saw Sugary Carnival, but then you guys sold it, and I was so sad and heartbroken. But then I found this guy in like Sax in gold, my favorite color combo. Like, I was literally just rambling really fast. The staff was so nice. The staff was like the nicest in the universe. They were just so kind. And then I got asked, like, do you want a bag for your umbrella, even though it was raining outside? And I was like, is that okay? Can I have a bag just so I can keep it? I would really love to collect the bag. And the shopkeeper was like, yeah, of course, like, you can have a bag, and look at this creative wrapping. Like, look. So it actually functions as a bag, and I thought it was so creative. And then to top it off, there's like a little Angelic Pretty sticker holding it together. So we're gonna unbox this. So first thing first is trying to get this Angelic Pretty sticker off without ruining it, because I will cry. Sad tears. Yes! Fuck yes! Oh my god. Look at, where can I put this? Can I put it? I can put it on my phone. I'm gonna put it on my phone. Okay. Angelic Pretty on my phone! So we're gonna unwrap it. I just don't want to damage the bag. Is that dumb? Like, I want to keep the bag. I kept my Baby the Starshine Bright bag from when I was there in high school in Paris before it shut down. And it's still in like absolute perfect condition. This bag's a little wrinkly though, because we had a day. It was like downpouring, and I actually took this umbrella that was in a bag and I put it in a different bag, and then I like wrapped my coat. Like, I was wearing my coat and put it over us so it wouldn't get wet, which is ridiculous because I bought an umbrella that's UV proof and waterproof. So this is our glorious Angelic Pretty bag. I'm so happy right now. And this This is her. But even the price tag is so aesthetic and purple, and there's like a little bow tied on the handle. So I've been trying really hard to figure out like what material this even is, because the handle, it feels like plastic over like leather, but it's, I don't know, I can't figure it out. And the little purple bow is so cute. And there's a little UV sticker on it as well. So we have a sax bow here, and oh, it just unclips like that. We're gonna see if I can tell what print this is. Oh, it has like clocks on it. Is it bad luck if I open this indoors? It probably is. Should I do it? I'm getting a piercing in like an hour. Maybe I should not open an umbrella indoors. So the bottom of this has this like beautiful cutout pattern that is so cute. There are little bits of it that are like fraying just a touch. And then the top of this is like very sturdy metal. It has a little ruffle on it that's also very cute. I just love the sax bow that keeps it all together. I've never seen a bow on an umbrella like that, and it's adorable. And then the kind of like boning on the inside is plastic, it looks like. And then the center fuselage is metal. I'm trying to do this without opening it. These are really hard. They feel like metal, but I can't tell. I think they're metal. So the print is like saxon gold, and it's like clocks. It's Angelic Pretty and planets and stars. I couldn't really tell what the print was inside the store. I just kind of went with my gut, and I actually think that this is Magical Horoscope now that I'm looking at it. What do you think? Is this it? Without opening it? And like, they're different shades of blue, sadly, but also I have another like sax blue dress that this would probably match, and I ordered that like blue gingham bodyline dress for $10, so hopefully it'll match one of these. And also, if it's raining and it's up here, is anyone gonna notice? But I literally put a hook in the wall just so I could hang this. Okay, can you open the umbrella up for me? First time opening up this umbrella. Your face is a little in the shadows, but that's okay. Let's do it!
Go, go, go. Wow.
Woo! So beautiful! Amazing! Okay, do something fun with it. Oh, there he goes.
I'm flying away. Take me to Angelic Pretty Paris.
That's where he's from! It looks so cute. It looks so freaking cute.
I feel like an Animal Crossing villager. You know what I mean?
You are. You're dressed like one.
Anyway, this is fun, but I'm very cold.
Okay, we can go back in. I know some people are gonna be like, you made an entire video for an umbrella? A parasol? But I just don't think you realize how insanely happy this makes me to own something brand new from Angelic Pretty. I only own one Angelic Pretty dress. It's True Doll, which is like missing a piece. It has like runs in it, and I got it pretty cheap. And I'm like the third owner or something. So this is my first brand new Angelic Pretty piece, and I'm literally so happy I could cry. And I like feel myself trying not to cry because it's just like a dream come true, you know? And I know it's like weird because it's an umbrella. I don't know, I've just been dreaming of this for so long. I've just been dreaming of like going to Angelic Pretty Paris and wearing a cord in Paris, and it's like a dream come true. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm sorry. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this. Goodbye!